Number 1. 1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $9,800. The truck is a well-maintained two-wheel drive short bed pickup powered by a 5.2L V8 Magnum engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It has 131,000 miles and features a silver exterior with a gray interior. The truck runs and drives excellent and comes equipped with a towing package, tilt steering, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, and power seats. The truck has been garage kept and remains clean inside and out, reflecting its history of being consistently cared for and well maintained. Overall, this Ram 1500 offers a solid combination of V8 power, useful features, and dependable everyday drivability. Number 2. 1997 Ford F-250, price $6,900, featuring a clean title and a low, original reading of just 93,000 miles. Dressed in a classic white exterior over a well-kept gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck runs like an absolute champ with zero leaks or underlying mechanical issues. Under the hood, it packs a dependable 5.4L V8 engine mated to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, making it completely smog-check ready for its next owner. The vehicle has been meticulously cared for through recent maintenance, which includes a brand new AC compressor to keep the cabin cold, brakes with over 70% life remaining, and tires sitting at roughly 50% tread life. Maximizing its overall utility and travel appeal, the truck comes complete with a nice camper shell outfitted with a custom camping setup and dedicated storage compartments built directly inside the bed, making it fully prepared for immediate work or weekend road trips. Number 3. 2001 Ford Ranger, price $10,500, featuring a completely accident-free history, a clean title, and low mileage with just 110,200 miles on the odometer. Showcasing a handsome green exterior paired with a well-maintained tan interior, this gasoline-powered compact truck combines rugged capability with everyday usability. Under the hood, it is equipped with a reliable 3.0L V6 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, complemented by a versatile four-wheel drive system that is ready to handle challenging terrain or adverse weather. The vehicle rides on a set of like-new Yokohama tires that offer excellent traction and road stability, while the cabin has been thoughtfully upgraded with a modern aftermarket Bluetooth radio featuring Apple CarPlay support for seamless smartphone connectivity and hands-free driving. Completely inspected, fully serviced, and ready to go, this truck offers an ideal balance of classic utility, modern technology, and proven long-term durability. Number 4. 1994 Chevrolet S10, price $6,995. This truck stands as an exceptionally clean and well-preserved single owner, backed by a clear, hassle-free Carfax report and a low original odometer reading of just 133,700 miles. Presented in a timeless silver exterior finish over a remarkably tidy gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck shows incredible pride of ownership throughout, featuring a spotless cab alongside an equally clean truck bed that is completely ready to haul cargo. Under the hood, it is powered by Chevrolet's highly sought-after and durable 4.3L V6 engine, paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission that delivers dependable power and effort-free performance for daily drives or work tasks alike. Further enhancing its comfort, convenience, and road readiness, the vehicle comes equipped with functional power windows and rides on a brand new set of tires that ensure proper traction, stability, and safety. This turnkey classic compact pickup combines low ownership history, solid mechanical condition, and daily driver practicality in one complete package. Number 5. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,488. The truck is a true GMT 400 classic that seamlessly combines iconic design, dependable V8 power, and rugged four-wheel drive capability. Finished in a bold black exterior paired with a classic gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck has logged 187,500 miles. Under the hood lies the legendary 5.7L Vortec V8 engine. Renowned for their straightforward maintenance and timeless styling, GMT 400 models continue to grow in popularity, and this Silverado trim enhances that appeal with a comfortable, well-appointed cabin along with an extended cab layout that offers generous extra space for passengers or gear storage. Whether intended as a reliable daily workhorse, a weekend cruiser, or a long-term collectible investment, this well-maintained pickup stands ready to deliver proven 4x4 capability and classic Chevrolet heritage. Number 6. 1982 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, featuring a clean title, a bold black exterior, a striking new red interior, and an original 90,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong-running 350 V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission with overdrive, this truck cruises smoothly on the freeway, requiring only a fresh coat of paint to truly shine. Underneath, its mechanical setup has been significantly enhanced with a new Edelbrock Evius 2 4-barrel carburetor, fresh fuel lines, a billet distributor, and a custom dual exhaust system. The truck delivers an impressive stance and improved handling thanks to a Beltec 3/4 drop kit paired with new shocks, new front brakes and brake lines, and a set of tires with under 500 miles on them. Inside, the cabin has been completely refreshed with a brand new bench seat, dash pad, carpet, seat belts, high-tech Dakota digital gauges, and a modern Bluetooth radio for modern connectivity, making this classic Chevrolet an exceptionally well-built and turnkey package. Number 7. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $4,800, finished in a timeless green exterior over a functional tan interior. This gasoline-powered model has logged 156,000 miles and is driven by Ford's reliable 3.0L V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The vehicle is completely ready for immediate road use, passing all necessary emissions checks with a clean bill of health and boasting a valid inspection sticker good through June 2027. Mechanically, it delivers steady performance thanks to a setup of good, responsive brakes and decent tires with plenty of tread remaining to tackle daily commutes or light hauling jobs. Inside the cabin, the layout embraces straightforward practicality with simple manual windows and manual door locks that minimize potential electrical issues over time, while an upgraded aftermarket radio adds a touch of modern convenience and entertainment to every drive. Overall, this Ranger offers an ideal combination of mechanical dependability, essential upkeep, and long-term utility. Number 8. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, featuring a bold red exterior over a gray interior. This truck shows 160,000 miles on the odometer and relies on a smooth automatic transmission. While it looks great from 20 feet away, the body shows significant rust beneath the fender flares, and both the cab corners and rocker panels have been cut off. Mechanically, the drivetrain, frame, and axles remain in exceptional shape, featuring a heavy-duty setup with a Dana 44 front axle matching the Chevy Bolt pattern, a 14-bolt rear axle, and 4.56 gears front and rear. To complement its aggressive performance, the truck rides high on roughly 8 inches of lift cleared by massive 35-inch tires, while long tube headers paired with a Flowmaster exhaust deliver an incredible V8 exhaust note. Number 9. 1988 GMC 1500, price $7,300, shows approximately 105,000 miles and features a striking red exterior paired with a matching maroon/red leather interior. Powered by its original 5.7L 350 V8 gasoline engine coupled with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission, this solid truck combines classic square body styling with modern cabin upgrades, including working air conditioning, a Pioneer Bluetooth radio, and new JBL dash speakers. The vehicle has benefited from extensive recent maintenance to ensure long-term mechanical reliability, including a new fuel tank, fuel filter, fuel injector, spark plugs, plug wires, and a fresh distributor. The chassis and running gear have been thoroughly refreshed with a complete brake overhaul, featuring new rotors, calipers, rear drums, hardware, and shoes, along with a new driver front tie rod and fresh differential fluid. Number 10. 1997 Ford F-250, price $7,500, with 250,000 miles, showcased in a rare and eye-catching red-on-red color combination. Powered by a strong-running 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission, this truck is roughly 90% rust-free with very minimal corrosion overall. It features valuable mechanical upgrades, including brand new batteries, a fresh alternator, a solid axle swap, and built-in SCT and Hydra tuners. While the body has a few cosmetic flaws and the transmission shifts roughly and needs attention, it remains a sturdy, highly desirable platform. Please note that personal accessories like the CB radio setup, floor mats, and mirrors are not included in the sale.